Hi guys, we are going to create an event, and the first thing you should do is create the session. Go on to the menu and press event management, and here we go to the event management create an event section. Press create a new event. Now you've got the details. You can put in the name of it and the price, a description, the state, whether it goes up onto a website, people can see it, or you just keep it on the app, and start date and time. So we're just whipping through this. Booking URL, if you've got something where you're going to be ticketing, taking payments, that kind of stuff. So we won't bother with that. Then you go onto the waves. Every event needs a wave. Give the wave a label. So this would be the type of people you've got in. If you've got any adults, juniors, so we do juniors. Save the wave, add another one. Let's do time and make this one adults. So you see where we're going with this. You can have as many waves as you want. You can split it up as much as you like. It can be age categories. It could be wearing a wetsuit, not wearing a wetsuit, all those kind of things. So you've done that. That we're good. Now we go on to stages. So we need to know how many stages we're going to have. So if it's a triathlon, we're going to have 5 because we've got swim, transition, bike, transition, run. And we do a sprint triathlon. So we're putting in the distance for the swim, and we're putting in how we're going to measure. Now we've generated. So I've done it a little bit different than you can normally do. But if I go in here, I can change this to a transition, and I can take out that. So you'll see when you play around with it, there's different ways of doing it. Actually, what I wanted to do as well, I should change this to a name, T1. Okay. Then I can go in, and the next one's going to be the bike. So we're going to do 5,000 meters, or you could put in let's do 20k. So it could be 20,000 meters, or we could do 20k. You decide. It's not a transition. We will put bike. And then the next one is a transition, so we'll call that T2, which is the standard. Make it a transition, take out the metrics, because there isn't any, unless there is, of course, if you're running to get to one place to another and you want to add that. There's your T2, and then usual sprint distance, 5,000 meters, so you could put 5k. Change that to run. And there you go, swim, T1, bike, T2, run. Done. Categories. Now, have you got age categories? So let's put in youths. I'm just thinking about these as I do them, so there's no real structure. And again, you'd be able to put in any different categories that you want. So we've done that. We now have an event. So there's our event. And what we would then do is we could scan people in and get them registered for the event. So I'm going to leave it like that and finish this section so you know how to create an event.